Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fast forward Instagram Reels on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to fast forward Instagram Reels on your iPhone but it is not working, here you can see this. If I press and hold the right side or left side of the Instagram Reel, it stops. So guys, here you can see this. And if you want to fast forward your Instagram Reels, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your settings and then scroll it below and tap on general, then software update, and you have to simply update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update your device, and after this go back and now open your app store and search here for Instagram, and now download and install this Instagram app on your device. So guys, simply download the latest version of Instagram on your device, and after this open your Instagram, and now you have to simply press and hold the right side or the left side of Instagram Reel to fast forward it. So guys, here you can see this, and if it is still not working for you, then you have to simply try to contact the Instagram team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.